What happens when even the bravest jobs, the ones that define courage, are no longer human? In the age of artificial intelligence, will the heroes behind the wheel be made of steel and code? Imagine a future where fire trucks navigate without human hands. No sirens screamed by men in helmets, only the quiet hum of algorithms and electric engines. Streets glowing with neon, flames fought by precision robotics, and not a single heartbeat in the cab. AI is no longer just in our pockets, it's taking the wheel, even in the most dangerous missions. Self-driving fire trucks could predict routes faster, react in milliseconds, and save more lives than ever before. Powered by AI innovation, sensors, drones, and quantum algorithms, these machines may soon replace human drivers completely. But what does this mean for the future of jobs? For the firefighters who once stood as symbols of courage? As digital transformation accelerates, the line between human heroism and machine precision begins to blur. Yes, machines may become faster, stronger, and even smarter. But can they replace courage? Can they feel fear or hope or sacrifice? These are questions that echo beyond technology. They touch the soul of humanity. If the fire truck no longer needs a driver, do we still need the man behind the mask? Perhaps the question is not whether AI will drive the fire trucks, but whether we, as humans, can find new fires to fight, fires of ignorance, inequality, and hope. In the future, machines may take the wheel, but the courage to save the world? That will always belong to us. Comment, subscribe, and like. Thanks for watching.